Welcome back to the Busted Knuckle Garage. It's been a while since I posted a video with the holidays and just stuff in life in particular. But I'm going to jump in there on this big rig build-off. This is what I'm going to be building. I can get in the camera. I've had this kit for about a year now, and I've been waiting to build it, and I think it's time. It's all brand new. Everything's still in its bags. I got some a mask here from the Lazy Modeler. That's gonna go on there. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Never built a truck before, and what's going on my bench? Haven't doing much building, but I started this a while back. This is actually a 71 442. This was a promo. I cut the hood open. Used the chassis out of a 72 Olds. Fits nice in there. It's painted. I gotta just redo the hood and lay the stripes down. I had little mishaps. Yeah, but that's one of my projects. This is my commission build I've been doing. 72 Grand Prix. It's all cleared, ready to go. I was putting this little blanket marker light here in, and you got some glue on the side here. So I gotta go in there, sand that down, and hopefully not go through the paint. This was the original one I built first a while back. I'm just going to use the chassis and stuff off of that. I stuffed the 455 in there. Wired it up. That's one of them. I picked this up. 67 GTO. Yeah, another Pontiac. It should come out nice. All you do is a few minor things to this, and it should be all done. I just got this in the mail too. A couple new kits. This is it's a 77 Cutlass Supreme. I got it off one of my buddies off of Facebook. The Juice Main. Big shout out to you, buddy. It's coming along nice. I think I'm gonna go with this color on it. A dark tail with the white interior. But, like, you never know. I might change my mind, but I think I like that. I'm trying to get this done before the NNLE show in April, which I will be attending. I got a 76 Grand Prix. All painted. I just gotta do the interior on this and try and get this one done too. But I got this one. It's an old model house, 66 Grand Prix. paid a good chunk of money for this. And when they came in, the guy packed it perfect. A box in a box, and I don't know what happened, but the whole body broke. And there's that big chunk right here that came off. Glad I found the piece. It cracked right there. It broke at the post. I almost cried when I opened up the box. But I was gonna just add this one to my collection. But since it's all broken up, I'm gonna build it. And I'll try to get this done for the NLE show too, because they're having a sub-theme for Model House. So I'm gonna try and build this. I haven't decided on a color yet. I was gonna open up the hood and everything, but now I'm just gonna build it as a curbside. Yeah, I was psyched to get this. Very hard to come by on this particular kit, but what can you do? Yeah, all I gotta do is throw some tires on this one. Like I said, redo the hood. I got my cowl all set and ready to go on there. I got everything else ready to go on that. And my Grand Prix here, this one should be almost all set. I think I could get that out. But I'm getting ready to go watch some football. Hopefully the Patriots going to kick some ass today, which I know they will. Super Bowl number 6, buddy. Yeah, I can't wait to get cracking on this bad boy. I really cannot wait. I'm going to probably start something this week on this and get it cranking up. Well, there's what I got, guys. I'll keep you posted. I'll post some more videos. Now it's kind of slow at work now, and holidays are over. Let's get back to building. I've been in a slump lately. Well, there you go. I want to thank all my subscribers. Peace, and I'm out of here.